I'm going to show how to assemble and mount the Masterbuilt Slow Smoker. I purchased this one online. When unboxing, you should find the following items: the Slow Smoker body, stabilizing legs, mount hook, chip tube screen, lid handle, ashtray, and the chip tube body, which is packaged within the Slow Smoker body. Note that the heating element in the bottom is already in place and does not require installation. There is also an instruction manual included. I will be following these instructions for assembly. Begin by mounting the lid handle to the Slow Smoker lid. Remove the 2 screws from the handle using a Phillips head screwdriver. Set the screws aside. You will need these when installing. Next, locate the mounting holes located on the Slow Smoker lid. The lid handle will be installed with this orientation. Secure the handle using the 2 screws and a Phillips head screwdriver. Now, lay the smoker body on its side to expose the bottom. Thread in the stabilizing legs in this manner. These legs, however, will not be used on my model of smoker, as you will see later. In fact, it attaches to the side of my main smoker, so it does not sit on the deck floor. I'm only installing these so they will not be misplaced. It's a good idea to keep all the parts together. Next, install the ashtray in this manner. Now access the mount tube. Install the mount hook through the mount tube as seen here. Send the threaded end of the mount hook through one of the tube mount holes in this manner. While holding onto the hook with one hand, access the inside of the smoker body. Thread on the wing nut just enough to keep the hook from falling out. This unit is now ready to be mounted onto the main smoker. Prepare the main smoker by removing the wood chip loader. Next, plug the Slow Smoker into this opening. Be sure to guide the mounting hook through as you plug it in. Then open the door to the main smoker and remove the ashtray. Look through this opening to find the mount hook. Note its orientation to the surrounding structures. It should be positioned in such a way that it hooks to the edge of the chip loader housing. Next, straighten and secure the Slow Smoker to the main smoker. Secure by tightening the wing nut on the mount hook. Once again, this is found in the Slow Smoker body. As you hand tighten, it simply draws the 2 units together, creating a tight bond. Next, install the chip tube screen to the bottom of the chip tube body. Simply slide it into place as seen here. Now install it in the Slow Smoker in this manner. And finally, plug into an outlet, load the wood chips in the chip tube, and turn on the switch. The smoker is now ready to use.